Beautiful morning, fam. This is your girl Inzwakazi Esemxhoseni. I'm back again with another vlog. I'm going to Cape Town. So mangathethe kakhulu, please cala nikhaphi. Flight here to delay. We were supposed to leave at 9 of gate. So our flight is delayed.
Oh, it's a video. They are both done.
So okay guys, the flight here to Izohamba on 11 and it was supposed to leave at 9 o'clock. 11! Oh my god. Saqonda uba yazi ntoni masifeske sami siyofuna ukutya because wow, what is this?
A few moments later.
Let's go, guys. This one, it's 270.
This one, they said we
2,000 years later. 6.5 hours later. A few inches later.
So basically guys, we were delayed for 5 hours. Sikibele sesingena ngabo 2 o'clock since sifike ngabo 6 a.m. Wow, SAA, wow. Yo, shine.
A very good afternoon to you, ladies and gentlemen.
Finally!
Welcome on board.
My friend, macatha bazisibulisa neAfrikaans sipote kanje.
Remember,
wena ke since ubhizi ngesingisi.
please ensure that you hand luggage at the time.
Ndikuxelela into bese silate yona ke sana lwam. Ishow iqala ngo-3 o'clock. Thina ngongona siyolenda ngo-4. We had to go refresh siyoqala phansi makeup. Yini nani? Hey hayi.